Associate the photovoltaic field to the model. In the PV field editor, you can adapt or resize the area. Select the photovoltaic field area and design the system with the help of the wizard. Get the module's positioning with the installation structure details. Display shadows and system location with automatic obstacle recognition. Associate the inverter to the system, using the assisted design wizard, choosing from the compatible inverters in the archive. Position the general switch panel, and get the other switch panels in both AC and DC. Choose the preferred language to produce the single line diagram. Set the type of installation, cable designation and AC/DC protection systems. Calculate and size unverified voltage drops. Display the single line diagram for each switch panel. Customize the switch panels with specific materials. Display the single line diagram of the entire system.